The Spring Festival is coming soon next month. Have you prepared a red silk scarf at home? Have you prepared it? Sisters who haven't prepared can take a look. Our red carriage scarf can be worn on both sides can be used as color. One egg is 65 centimeters. The fabric is cotton. The fabric is soft and wrinkly. It's not easy to wrinkle and it can protect your neck. Warm and stylish. Today I will share with you a palace knot tying method. Take the silk scarf in your hand like me. Fold it in half like this. After folding it in half, pinch it with both hands. Pinch it left and right, left and right, left and right. We roll it from head to tail to create pleats. Then smooth out the folds.
Have you seen the position above? 1/3 of the position. Use a rubber band to tie a knot for fixation. Fix the top part. The small ears below. We just hold it and pinch it. Pick it up. Pick it up. We can tie the long ears in the back position. We can tie it with a rubber band. We can slightly adjust it. Take this ear down. Take this ear downwards. Take it down and gently stretch it open. And open. All hem, fold in half after cutting in the middle. Add a small button in the middle, and it can be used as an embellishment. It will be a delicate, smart and beautiful. The cord knot tying method is completed.